History has a funny way of turning people into heroes or villains. But what if the truth is more complicated than that? How should history remember Barack Obama? Was he the transformative president who inspired millions around the world? The first black president of the United States? The man who expanded healthcare through the Affordable Care Act and gave hope to people who believed America could move beyond its divisions? Or should history remember a different side of Obama's presidency, the president whose administration expanded drone warfare across several countries, resulting in the deaths of suspected terrorists, but also civilians? The president under whose watch a 16-year-old American citizen, Abdulrahman al-Awlaki, was killed in a drone strike in Yemen? Should history remember the president who promised change yet deported millions of immigrants, earning criticism from activists who called him the deporter in chief? Should it remember the president who pledged to close Guantanamo Bay but left office with the detention facility still open? Or the president who helped rescue the financial system during the Great Recession while many working class Americans watched Wall Street recover faster than their own neighborhoods? And then there is the symbolism of the Obama Presidential Center opening itself. The event brought together some of the most powerful political figures of the last several decades, including former President George W. Bush, war criminal, Bill Clinton, Epstein's friend, Joe Biden, war criminal, and Barack Obama. Supporters see these men as experienced leaders who helped guide the nation through difficult times. Critics see something very different. They see representatives of a political establishment associated with foreign wars, controversial military interventions, expanding government power, and an economic system that often seems to favor the wealthy and well connected. Supporters argue that Obama inherited two wars and a collapsing economy and one of the most difficult political environments in modern American history. They point to healthcare reform, economic recovery, and his historic significance. Critics argue that good intentions are not enough. They believe a president must be judged not only by his words, but by the consequences of his policies. So, how should history remember Barack Obama? As a symbol of hope? As a defender of the status quo? As a president who changed America? Or as a president who was changed by Washington? Perhaps the real question is this: can a leader inspire millions and still believe behind painful contradictions? Can both stories be true at the same time? I'm Jamal with WRIDERS. What do you think? How should history remember Barack Obama? Because writers question everything. Think for yourself. Peace out.